How did you get in here? How do you get out? Is the question. Chicken, come here. You're stuck in a hole, huh? You're stuck in a hole, huh? You eating snow, huh? Glad it's being cold the past, or not as cold. It's warmed up to about freezing at night. So this one, a couple days ago, it was getting -15, -10. Wouldn't have made it through those nights out here, I'd say. I think you've been out here for a day, a night. Judging by how much poop you've left. Alright, here, I think I see it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm sorry. You'll get out, you'll get out. It's okay, chicken, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, like, it's okay, chicken. It's okay. Head down, head down. There you go. There you go, stay in there. There you go. All right. How did you even get into this mess? Can't fit through here, can you? Oh, you can. All right. Up. No. All right. Then you'll go down, huh? How about that? Go down back through there. There, one wing. Come on, one wing. One wing. Yeah, there you go. Okay, wing two. It's okay, chicken. It's okay, chicken. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Shh. Through there. Come on. It's okay. Put your head down through here. Through there. It's okay. It's okay. Put your head down through there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, you're free. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are one skinny chicken. One skinny chicken. All free. It's been there for a little while. Oh, I'm glad I went wandering around looking out here. Good chicken. Let's go. Let's go back in. Oh, You're gonna be happy to get some food. Yeah, Lily. We freed her. That wasn't that bad, huh? Only took about 5 minutes to get you out of there. Alright, what's all in here? Oh. Okay. Are you alright? You alright? Can you walk? Oh, feet must be sleepy. If you chickens bug her, oh my god. I ain't gonna be happy. She's eating though.